Hi, I'm Grace chatting, and if you're watching this, it's likely that you or someone you care about is struggling in an abusive relationship. Now, I understand how difficult and how isolating that can be because I've been there myself. So, for almost 40 years now, I've dedicated my work to helping women navigate the complex journey of breaking free from abusive and controlling relationships. My book, Breaking Free from an Abusive Relationship, is a compassionate guide that offers you the knowledge, tools, and support that you need to reclaim your life. Now, I wrote this book to shine a light on how subtle and insidious the nature of abuse can be, especially the kind that makes you doubt your own worth and keeps you feeling stuck and trapped. And that gets in the way of you thriving in your own life, like just being able to enjoy simple things in life, to enjoy some leisure time, to be able to relax, to drop your shoulders, to just enjoy parenting your own children and having an okay family life. Um, you know, in the book, I also share from world experts like Emma Katz and Ivan Stark and the Gottmans, John and Julia Gottman and Gabor Mate, people who talk about the traumatic effects of being in an abusive relationship. So you'll also find practical steps to help you to see through the fog, understand the cycle of abuse, and it helps if you understand the situation that you're in because you can feel like you're going mad, really. Most importantly, it sets out the journey to freedom. It's a really helpful blueprint for getting free because we all deserve a life of peace and respect and safety and feeling safe, and it all starts with taking the first step. So if you're ready to take that step, just click the link below and order your copy today. It'll be an instant download because freedom is possible. It is possible. You can do it with a little guidance, and you don't have to do it alone. So bye for now. Bye.